Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this beautiful halo eyeshadow look, keep on watching and make sure to subscribe down below. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and first we're going to start with this burgundy shade. I'm going to pack this shade all over my lid. The first time I didn't pack my brush enough with the shadow, so I went back in and we're just going to pack the colors onto the lid and stack the colors one above each other, if that makes sense. And after we have all of our colors stacked, we're going to blend them in together. Next, I'm going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm going to pack that beautiful vibrant purple shade above the burgundy eyeshadow. And next, I wanted to have like that vibrant orangey look mixed in with the purple shades. So I went in with that bright orange from the Take Me to Brazil palette and that darker burnt orange from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So the trick to this is stacking the colors and then blending them in together. So I went over the purple shade with the orange tone, so I just went back in and reapplied it, and as I was reapplying it, I decided to blend in the purple with the burgundy shade, and then I took that yellow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette once again, and I used this very light shade to blend out the colors nearest to my brow bone or on my brow bone to blend them all together. And I wanted to intensify the burgundy shade in the crease, so I took some of that burgundy shade and some of that brown that I showed earlier and I applied it onto my crease and blended it all together, and those are the colors for the base. Okay, so next I'm going to be cutting the crease with some Tarte concealer, and I use a Tarte concealer because it's really thick and I love it for this. I'm going to create the halo shape and I'm going to place it above the fold on my crease. And I basically have hooded eyes. It's not that bad, but when I have like different hairstyles, I like for my hair to be a little tight because my eyebrow lifts and then I don't have as much of a hooded eye. I'm going to take that purple shade again and place it on the outer corners of the concealer that I applied on my lid. And once I do that, I'm going to move on to the next shade. I swear one day I'm going to get Botox and have like the best fucking facelift ever, and then I won't have to have tight ass hairstyles and I'll have more space on my lid for beautiful eyeshadow looks. But I'm going to use that shimmery shade that I pointed out from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well, and I recommend for you to spray your brush just a tad bit when you're using these shimmery shades because it just applies so much better and they're so creamy. I'm going to place it right in the center, and then I'm going to start blending out the edges, and just blending it in with the purple is going to give you that cool effect. And trust me, you have to take your time with this because it takes a lot of blending, but if you wet your brush before you go into that shimmery shade, you won't have to blend that much because it's already going to be, you know, very creamy and it's going to give you that perfect effect. And then I'm very picky with my eyeshadow, so I like going back and forth with my eyeshadows until I like it. So I went in with the purple again, and after applying the purple, I went in once again with that shimmery shade, and then I basically did everything else off of camera. I did like a thin black liner for me to apply lashes, and I applied lashes and placed some blue eyeshadow in my inner tear duct from the Dose of Colors palette with I Love Sarai. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from my halo eyeshadow tutorial. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do so, because I do post every day on Instagram, or I try to post more than I do on YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up down below, and thanks for watching.
I want you to want me, but you just